Today we are diving into the world of luxury SUVs with one of the most iconic names in the industry, the 2025 Range Rover, a vehicle that represents timeless elegance, relentless capability, and cutting-edge innovation all wrapped into a package that defines what it means to drive in absolute style. Whether you are navigating city streets or conquering rugged landscapes, the new Range Rover promises to deliver an unmatched blend of performance, comfort, and sophistication. So let's explore exactly what makes this latest model a standout in a fiercely competitive segment. Let's talk design, because the 2025 Range Rover continues to set the benchmark for luxury SUV styling. At first glance, its unmistakable silhouette remains loyal to its heritage, clean, smooth lines, and a commanding stance that demands attention. The front fascia is refined with a new slim grille design flanked by sleek digital LED headlights that offer an aggressive yet elegant look. The clamshell bonnet, floating roof, and continuous waistline remain signature Range Rover cues, giving it a modern yet familiar identity. The flush door handles and 23-inch alloy wheels add a touch of contemporary sophistication, while new exterior color options allow buyers to personalize their SUV to reflect their own unique taste. From every angle, the 2025 Range Rover exudes a powerful presence, one that whispers authority rather than shouting it. Interior design: step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a high-end luxury lounge than a traditional SUV. The interior of the 2025 Range Rover is a masterclass in craftsmanship and modern luxury. From the finest leather upholstery to sustainable premium materials, every surface you touch speaks quality. The dashboard is clean and minimalist, dominated by a massive 13.1-inch floating curved touchscreen infotainment system, paired with a fully digital 13.7-inch driver display. Both screens offer crisp graphics, intuitive controls, and seamless connectivity. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Alexa voice integration come standard, while an optional rear seat entertainment package ensures passengers in the back stay entertained on long journeys. Ambient lighting, customizable with up to 30 color options, creates a serene atmosphere, while features like ventilated massage seats, 4-zone climate control, and a panoramic sunroof elevate every drive into an experience of pure indulgence performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Range Rover delivers an impressive and highly versatile lineup of powertrains designed to offer a perfect balance between power, refinement, and modern efficiency. The base engine is a 3.0-liter inline-six featuring mild hybrid technology, which produces a respectable 395 horsepower and delivers smooth, effortless acceleration with excellent mid-range torque, making everyday driving feel relaxed and confident. For those who desire a surge of pure power, the 4.4-liter twin turbocharged V8 takes things to the next level, generating a thrilling 523 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque, allowing this large luxury SUV to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a remarkable 4.4 seconds, which is astonishing for a vehicle of its size and stature. Not stopping there, Land Rover also offers a plug-in hybrid variant pairing a turbocharged inline-six engine with an advanced electric motor, delivering a combined 434 horsepower and an all-electric range of up to 60 miles, which makes it perfect for zero-emission city driving, while retaining the long-distance capability and off-road prowess. Range Rover owners expect every powertrain is paired with a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, providing seamless gear changes and responsive acceleration, whether navigating city streets, merging onto highways, or conquering off-road trails. All models feature Land Rover's legendary intelligent all-wheel drive system, which constantly monitors road conditions and distributes torque accordingly, ensuring maximum traction and control in all weather and terrain conditions. The 2025 Range Rover also benefits from an advanced adaptive air suspension system, which automatically adjusts ride height and damping to optimize comfort and stability regardless of road surface or driving speed, raising ground clearance for challenging off-road sections or lowering for easier access, and improved aerodynamics on the highway. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Range Rover spares no effort. The SUV comes loaded with advanced safety features, including emergency braking, blind spot assist, rear traffic monitoring lane, keep assist, and driver condition monitor, a new adaptive cruise control with steering assist helps maintain safe distances and keeps the vehicle centered in its lane during highway cruising. The optional surround camera system combined with clear exit monitor and park assist makes maneuvering in tight spaces. Stress-free Range Rover also introduces a collision avoidance system that can actively steer the vehicle away from potential hazards, providing added peace of mind for both driver and passengers. In conclusion, the 2025 Range Rover stands tall as a symbol of luxury, performance, and versatility, combining timeless design with modern technology and unstoppable capability. It's a vehicle that feels just as natural pulling up to a luxury hotel as it does forging through muddy trails or snow-covered mountains with its refined powertrain options including a thrilling V8, an efficient mild hybrid, and a forward-thinking plug-in hybrid. The Range Rover offers something for every kind of driver. The cabin is a masterclass in craftsmanship filled with premium materials, state-of-the-art tech, and thoughtful touches that turn every drive into an experience. Its advanced safety systems, adaptive air suspension, intelligent, all-wheel drive, and terrain response to ensure that no matter where you go, you'll get there in comfort, style, and confidence. The 2025 Range Rover isn't just an SUV. It's a statement of status, capability, and modern automotive excellence, making it one of the most complete and desirable luxury SUVs you can own today. Thanks for watching our deep dive into the 2025 Range Rover. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more premium car reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think about this latest Range Rover. Would you pick it over rivals like the Mercedes-Benz GLS or BMW X7? Share your thoughts below and stay tuned for more automotive content coming your way soon.